So I've got a 2016 Honda Civic with a 1.5 liter turbo, and it has a code low turbo boost P0299. After looking on YouTube, I found a number of posts about the linkages on the wastegate being loose, which it is a little loose here, you can see, but it didn't seem like it was that bad. So I started going further. I took off the compressor intake side of the housing, and then I found the real problem, which, if you look in there, you can see how loose the compressor wheel is. So the turbo is screwed, but what was interesting is the nut is missing off the end. And so I started looking around, and I noticed there's a noise inside of here, and I shook it a bit, and there is the compressor nut that came off the end. So yeah, there you go. 2016 Honda Civic with the compressor nut came loose on a turbo. It's only got 140,000 kilometers. It's too bad.